Welcome to OnCloud Wine, a command line interface app built with Ruby that allows you to browse and save some of Colorado's most popular wines. To create an account, you begin by entering your name, which then takes you to a main menu with a customized welcome message. From here, let's browse wines by going to view our personal collection to see if we have anything saved yet. Since I'm a new user, I don't have any wines saved, so I need to add some to my collection before a collection will show. If I go to add to my collection, it takes me to the wines menu where I have the option of reds or whites. If I go into red wines, you can see I can view all of the varietals available, or I can filter the wines down by selecting a specific varietal, or at the bottom, there is the option for blends. But if I don't want any of the reds, I can go back to the previous page and navigate to the whites. Here, if I want to view all varietals, I can pull up a menu that shows me all of the wines in the white style that we have in the database. From here, I can add a wine to my personal collection or continue browsing. I'll go ahead and add a wine that I think looks great. So I'll go ahead and add that ID and one bottle of it. From here, I can now go to my personal collection to see that the bottle has been added. And there you can see Coral White Cabernet Sauvignon in my personal collection. Now I want to open up that bottle so I can choose that from the menu here. If I put in the wrong ID, however, it will force an error message and ask me to enter the correct ID. So when I do that, it then delivers me this custom screen and message, and I can go back to the personal collection or back to the main menu. From the main menu, I can also add a Colorado wine if one of my favorite wines isn't in the database yet. So when I do that, it will ask me for the name of the wine. I'm going to use this Forever Our Rivers wine from the winery Carlson Vineyards. And the vintage is a 2018. The varietal is a blend, and the color is red. It then brings up a confirmation message to see if this is what I actually want to add to the database, and I can hit yes to do that, and it gives me a confirmation message that that has happened. Now, if I go to browse wines again and go to my red wines, if I navigate down to the blends, I can now see the Forever Our Rivers blend at the bottom of that list, and I could add that to my personal collection now, however many bottles I would like to add. And then I can view my personal collection and see that it has appeared. If I go back to the main menu, I can now exit the program. And on doing so, I receive a custom message before it exits the program.